Hi friends, I just wanted to make video very quick. Today in this video, I just wanted to show you how you need to apply the answer in your exam. Right, it's clearly given. You see here, this question paper contains 3 pages and a graph. So graph will be provided. Last year graph was provided with the question paper itself. And now look at this. So read the instructions very carefully. For 2 marks questions, I made a video important questions of 2 marks. Please watch it. I'll post it in the comment section. నేను 2 marks క్వశ్చన్స్కి ఇంపార్టెంట్ వీడియో పోస్ట్ చేశాను. దానికోసం మీరు కామెంట్ సెక్షన్ చూడండి. ఈ వీడియోని మీరు స్లో ఫార్వర్డ్ చేసుకొని చూసుకోవచ్చు. సో ఆల్ ద క్వశ్చన్ క్యారీస్ 2 marks. సో అండ్ అటెంప్ట్ ఆల్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్. ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ మనకి ఏమి ఇచ్చిండు సార్, ఇఫ్ ఏ ఈస్ గివెన్, బి ఈస్ గివెన్, డ్రా ద వెన్ డయాగ్రామ్ ఈజ్ ఆస్కింగ్. సో for writing given that you'll get 1 mark, for drawing the Venn diagram you'll get 1 mark. Remember this. Okay, next check the given points are given points ఇచ్చిండు. We have to find whether they are collinear or not. So for this what you need to do, given points are దత్తాంశం ప్రకారం A points రాసేయండి, B points రాసేయండి, C points రాసేయండి. For this you'll get 1 mark. For proving they are collinear in this is what we have a mod formula. If mod is equal 0 you are getting, that is collinear. So writing mod formula you'll get half mark. For finding solution you'll get a 1 mark. Sorry, half mark. Total 2 marks you will get allotted for this. So write circular cylinder. Any question is given in mensuration. Draw the rough diagram. Rough sketch is very important for mensuration problem. So right circular cylinder is given. Right circular cylinder we have drawn. So radius is given 3.5 centimeters. Height is given 14 centimeters. Find the curved surface area. So for writing rough sketch and writing given data, you'll get half mark. For writing formula, you'll get half mark. Because it is a 2 marks question, you'll get half mark. సో ఫార్ములా రాసిన దానికి, రఫ్ స్కెచ్ రాసి, గివెన్ డేటా దత్తాంశం ప్రకారం రాసిన దానికి విల్ గెట్ హాఫ్ మార్క్. రైటింగ్ ఫార్ములా హాఫ్ మార్క్. ఫైండింగ్ ద సొల్యూషన్ అండ్ సాల్వింగ్ గెట్ 1 mark. And next question you see, he is asking for formula. Write the formula and finding the nth term, each term in it. For writing formula you'll get 1 mark. For explaining each term you'll get 1 mark. Total 2 marks. Writing formula is what, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Formula ఉంది కదా. సో ఆ ఫార్ములా రాసిన దానికి 1 mark. వాట్ ఈజ్ ఏ ఈజ్ ద ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్, ఎన్ ఈజ్ nth టర్మ్, డే ఈజ్ కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్. ఈ రాసిన దానికి 1 mark you'll get. సో రైటింగ్ ఫార్ములా అండ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ ఈచ్ టర్మ్ you'll get from 2 lessons, either from progressions or from statistics. Right? Please follow my previous videos, you'll understand this. Next, if you go to the next question, find the distance between 2-point formula. So writing what are the given points, you'll get 1 mark, half marks. For writing the distance between 2-point formula you'll get half mark. So total 1 mark you'll get for this. For solution you get 1 more mark. Right? Even if you don't know the solution, if you just write what is given and formula, you'll get 1 mark. Right? Same way here, trigonometry is given, always draw the rough sketch. Rough sketch and trigonometry is always a right angle triangle. So theta is given, sin theta is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse 3/5. Drawing rough sketch and allotting this value you'll get 1 mark. And for finding secant theta and tan theta from the diagram, 5 here and 4 here. For drawing finding secant theta, tan theta, solving it, you get 1 mark. So what I mean to say, even if you don't know answer, మీకు ఆన్సర్ తెలియకుండా కానీ దత్తాంశం ప్రకారం ఏమి ఇచ్చిండు, దెన్ ఏదో ఒక రఫ్ డయాగ్రామ్ దత్తాంశం ప్రకారం ఏమి ఇచ్చిండు అండ్ రఫ్ డయాగ్రామ్ రిలేటెడ్ రఫ్ డయాగ్రామ్ లేదా ఫార్ములా రాసినా మీకు 1 mark వస్తుంది. సో ఆల్ టుగెదర్ 6 questions ఉన్నాయి. ఈ 2 marks క్వశ్చన్స్ 6 questionస్కి 12 marks ఇచ్చిన. మీకు మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ ఏం రాకుండా, ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ నో ఎనీథింగ్ ఇన్ మ్యాథ్స్, బట్ జస్ట్ బై రైటింగ్ గివెన్ దట్ ఇన్ ఫార్ములా యూ గెట్ 6 marks. రిమెంబర్ దిస్, హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ది మార్క్స్ మీకు వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ ఉన్నది. సో డోంట్ నెగ్లెక్ట్ ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ టాపిక్. Next, we'll go to the section 2. Section 2 also we have to attempt all the questions. Every question carry 6 questions will be in, every question carry 4 marks. So total 24 marks. If you attempt all the questions just by writing given that in formula, you'll get 2 marks. 6 to 12 marks అయితే కంపల్సరీ వస్తాయి. maximum 12 marks, minimum 6 marks. 6 to 12 marks అయితే గ్యారంటీగా వస్తాయి when you simply write దత్తాంశం ప్రకారం and formula. What is given and what is formula, if you related formula, if you write 6 to 12 marks అయితే వస్తాయి. 6 to 12 marks ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ 6 marks అక్కడ, ఆల్ టుగెదర్ హౌ మెనీ మార్క్స్ అయితే 12 to 18 marks వస్తున్నాయి. సో ఇట్లా మీకు పాస్ మార్క్స్ వచ్చారు ఈజీ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్లో. సో దీంట్లో ఏం చేస్తారు, సింపుల్. ఇక్కడ కూడా క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చింది, ఫార్ములా ఇచ్చిండు. రైట్ ద ఫార్ములా అండ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఈచ్ టర్మ్. రైటింగ్ ఫార్ములా విల్ గెట్ 2 marks, explain each term will get 2 marks. Totally 4 marks you can easily score. Again, formula is given from statistics. I saw your 2 lessons are very important for formulas, progressions and statistics. Solve the pair of linear equations. How you will start, given a pair of linear equations are, so equation either also. For writing this you will get half mark, sorry 1 mark. It is a 4 marks question, right? Then solving, what method you will follow? Substitution method. Different methods, 4 methods ఉన్నాయి కదా. So substitution method, elimination method అట్లా. So by putting by substitution method, write this heading by elimination method and solving it, you'll get remaining marks, right? And the next topic, you see, diagram is already given in your question paper. The diagram is already. Redraw the diagram. For redrawing the diagram, you'll get half mark. And for writing what is given in triangle ABC, this is given, and this is also given, this is also given. For writing this, you'll get 1 mark. So total 1.5 mark you'll get from this given question. And show that if you should do basic proportionality theorem, whatever theorem you will use to prove it, so do that. You get, if by using basic proportionality theorem, if you write this word, you'll get half mark. So total 2 marks will be allotted here, remaining for the solution. Again, applications of trigonometry question is applications of trigonometry. Draw the rough sketch always. For rough diagram or rough sketch, half mark will be given. And allotting these values, where the 60 degrees, 90 degrees, it is given like this, right? So either side is asking. So either side, 60 degrees here, 40 degrees here, and height is 100 meters. If for writing this, total 1 mark will be allotted. Rough diagram and allotting the values 1 mark, and find the distance between the two persons. For writing the solution, you get 1 mark. Same way, probability. Probability, what is given data and formula. Given data you write down and formula you write down, you get 1 mark. So I made a separate video. I'll post it in the comment section. Stepwise how marks will be allotted. So that if you know this, you will not lose any mark. Because if you do your own method, మీ సొంత మెథడ్లో చేసుకుంటూ పోతే ఇక్కడ స్టెప్ మిస్ అయితే మార్క్స్ పోయే ఛాన్స్ ఉన్నది. బట్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఫాలో దిస్ కీ పేపర్ అనాలిసిస్ దట్ ఐ మేడ్ యాజ్ ఎ ప్రీవియస్ వీడియో, మీరు ఆ వీడియో చూసినట్టయితే మీకు స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ ఏ స్టెప్స్ మిస్ కావద్దు అని మీకు ఒక క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది. ఆ వీడియో తప్పకుండా చూడండి. సో వాచ్ దట్ వీడియో కంపల్సరీ. It is given ratio between the two. So write down given that. So let ratio between radii of two cylinders are R1 and R2. So ratio is given R1 is to R2 is equal to 1 is to 2. H1 is to H2 is equal to 2 is to 3. For writing this given data, you'll get 1 mark. And for writing the volume, is asking the volume. So writing the volume, for volume the cylinder is what? Pi R square H. Writing this 1 mark will be allotted. For solving remaining 2 marks. Okay. Next, 4 marks questions. Sorry, 6 marks question. Any 4 you should do. There is a choice in this. Out of 6 you should do 4. So in the step-by-step procedure in the video, I explained what are the marks allotted for this question, how step-by-step process you should do it. And for the statistics also I explained. Statistics, for draw the box and write the formula. Drawing box, writing the formula, for 3 marks will be allotted. For drawing box you'll get 2 marks. For writing the formula, 1 mark. Total 3 marks will be allotted. Without knowing the subject, you can score 3 marks. Remaining solution you get. Construct the pair of tangents for the circle. For draw the rough sketch first. He is asking to draw the pair of tangents. Rough sketch, circle, pair of tangents. Right? And it is given 60 degrees between them. It is given radius of the circle is given as 4 centimeters. So just this is a rough sketch. For rough sketch, half mark or 1 mark will be allotted. Right? For finding the procedure, step-by-step process, steps are very important in writing the construction steps. Construction steps also marks will be included. For finding final sketch, you'll get marks. So don't forget to draw the rough sketch for it. I just wanted to explain extra things in maths. That's it. Next, draw the graph. Graphical question. Please remember, don't forget to write the question number on the graph paper. This is your graph paper. On graph paper, you should write the question number 16, right? And don't forget to write the scale at the right top corner. So write the scale here, as well as he's asking to finding the zeros. So how to find the zeros? After you draw the graph, you'll get the parabola or graph touching the x-axis at 2 points. The points where the graph where the x-axis touching, the 2 points will be your zeros of the polynomial. Right? Solution I am not explaining. I am explaining extra steps. Okay. Next, point of trisection. Draw the rough sketch for this also. So A 2, minus 2, B minus 7, 4. Let us assume this point is C. Let us assume this point is D. So rough sketch. Rough sketch, you will get half mark. And find the distance between 2 point formula. Write down the formula and box for the formula. You will get half mark or 1 mark. Remember, every formula should be mentioned in the box. Draw the box for every formula in your mathematics sheet and draw a line after every answer, so that the examiner will understand that question is finished. And don't forget to write the solution. So what is solution? For example, the question is given, find the n value here. What is the solution for this? After solving step by step, you'll get some value. It's 200. You'll get. You will leave it here only. Don't leave it here like that. So what you will do, after getting the value, you should put the heading solution with the black pen. And what is asking, find the n value. So the n value is 200, like this. So every question should have this tip. So given data is compulsory, formula is compulsory, and after solution find value of n value, a solution heading is compulsory. Then only you can score full marks. I just wanted to explain here. For example, how you should go. Question number asara. First fourth question you are writing. Given that first e steps compulsory. Question next formula. So formula ki box. Next you will solve it according to the formula. Substitute the values in the formula and solve it. Finally get some answer 200, for example. You will do it here only. Don't leave it here and put the heading solution. Right, solution. What is asking, for example, find the n value. Is asking this. So what solution you write? N value is, remove this find and write down value of n, or n value is 200. Like this you let. For example, if he is giving units, that means, for example, I'll take an example here, where right. So here he is giving units. Height is given 100 meters. He is asking find the distance between two persons. For example, you got 60. Don't leave 60, but write down units also. Distance between two persons is 60 meters. So if you write units in the solution, otherwise you will lose marks. So you'll get this units in applications of trigonometry as well as mensuration. Mensuration questions also you'll get. See, it is given centimeters. So your answer area of the cylinder should also in centimeters, right? So previous videos in the comment section లో paste చేస్తున్నా. Please watch it, like it and comment it. Thank you.